no baron no hey na you say the picture bo born them say sali Rafa see the other one we do say or the mo bi no and there ya what the C4C Homeopathic Clinic and so about Dr. Siama Etinedwam George Siama Jr. C4C Homeopathic Hospital in one babidi and come more. Though you more quaba. A viable cordier. What top on your bad.
Thank you.
Efepa, why fence. And I'll pay a head ye. The conditions in the also.
Yes, good morning once again to OBBR and I'll pay a share arthritis.
Okay.
Na ya pesi who arthritis ankasa ayedai. Na impono sa arthritis no signs and symptoms by the womb. Egumu ahe dodo sign na wo ho. Na eba oso adan na ebeda ni ama we hu se bibisa our system.
Okay.
Se we ntu hu so anamo a complications by na deba. Eno na ende ya pese ye.
Eni emre no me say so to be kan. Doctor yentie we arthritis na dia.
Yes, see, a case arthritis are basically derived from a Greek word. I friend atron. Atron jina homa joint. Enti a can joint so ani a can be a dompe mienusia. Enti example, bit say your wrist, a joint. Your shoulders, a joint. Your knees, and now cotogenus so your example of a joint. Now acquire joint into any kind say dompenisia head on pepe. By design no yankopon e de bibi e friend cartilage atontem se ne be ya e be cushion dompe no e wontin bi so wo ho a friend tendon se no so boa se ne be ya betimi a stretch easily insuo bi so wo ho a ye friend synovial fluid e no so boa na friction ne wo ho na bafom nti se e ka esi eni kakra no na emfa yaw emfa pain emba na face with me move freely. Enti se joint te sa na wo say se ho tochima na bibi be ka ho na esesa ne morphology na chese arthritis e ba ho.
Okay.
Enti basically it is an inflammation of a joint.
Okay. Yes. Ti den e be ko nyame asese bibia dada den na e kofa sa arthritis ne ba senka cartilage you say ye friend grigri. Timi ehi e ma fe dompe ka dompe e de ya obre.
Yes, you will be a friend of risk factors. So you can't risk factors and your ma ye predisposed to those things. One your injuries. It is say be a play football and now say you play exercise no. Say unya injury be a it is advice say unya injury and you want to painkiller. Because sometimes you need to be examined. Na ye hu ade a ekoso ansa na ya ma wondro the injury ya one ena kese ye bebre so e the pressure etoto those joints no so ti ebasa wo hu se joint na enke wo se tumi di ni djuma ye no cartilage na start say ekofom that will lead us to a type of arthritis our friend osteoarthritis. The osteoarthritis no cause as a result of cartilage area na dompe na any kwan say hia no e start say hia na e discomfort.
Okay. Yeah. Wow. And they are common.
Yes, in fact among all the arthritis no and on one of the most commonest one among them. Na ye fa for about 100 obekasa about almost 60% problem with arthritis osteoarthritis. There is another type I find rheumatoid arthritis. And also say your immune system. Your immune system fight conditions BMI. Then so say overactive because if toxic dose when you animal body no finding ways of fighting and your immune system start attacking those areas joint na and also another form of arthritis rheumatoid and no yes so common. But most dangerous because genetically related. And he said, "Oh, papa, oh, mommy, and our family relation will be the likelihood no was through. Say, and also so bad. And my one side to say be a osteo bit me ache on one side, but with rheumatoid no a buy both side. Tino ko day one year home baby when we say within some few time na of joint in deformed. And we have another type of septic arthritis. Septic no chire homa say inflammation of joints are due to infection. Your microbes be to say bacteria, fungus, and protozoa, and then virus nina. How to be infected those joints, you know. Until you will be when you gonorrhea for so many years. These microbes need to be swim co-infected joint. You know. One type of bacteria, your friend Staphylococcus aureus. A very, very common bacteria. Although cause of this septic arthritis, you know. It's also be a hono joint, you know, ahono. Ne ya we ya, ne the discomfort so aba. And then your gouty arthritis. Gouty arthritis basically, say, your uric acid were system. Now uric acid, no, you do a lot of proteins. Break it down to what you call purines. This purine also break it down to this uric acid. At some point in time, uric acid no hiya kakra. Is that say your blood vessels, no, you will be a friend epithelial tissues. So that moja unclotto. Now we have be say thrombosis and embolism and a clot of blood. Iti uric acid no so here at some point, but any kind say dorsum. Say dorsum, not as our kidney to me impie, not add the positive or joint. Then also the another form of arthritis. Yes.
Well, yeah, quite a bit for so. Na yatwe ho free arthritis ho. And na me can say happy your age limit and I won't cough cobia on it nyasa condition.
Thank you. First na ye say ye mama woni papa mpani for no. Then so ye share rheumatoid that you say genetic related. It as early as 12 years, 15, 16 years. Obetimi a diagnosed will be with rheumatoid arthritis.
Rheumatoid no only lupus nana.
Yeah, no. So you see, very good. That is it. That is the same lupus arthritis. In your own way, you find out that immune system, you know, try to fight adibia about system. Na akwa kofa problem yeah.
Okay. Inti yan na wo kan age limit which is first no na.
Yeah, first now will be at 60 years, 70 years, but these days, 15, 16 years, you be diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis. I am very common these days. And why? It's because ABI in your regular checkups. There are so many ways I will check it, and as your family member will be a diet and your lifestyle. If we don't do that, we likelihood no cost because we be predisposed to it. Now the problem no abanti. I know they are bound with age because they are genetic related. Yes.
Osteo no na make am.
Oh, with the osteoarthritis, they exercise. Say bobo, say ko gym, na we pra, na one sheni no. A bit me lead to that. It doesn't matter necessarily with your age, but the thing is, you know. Now you are in buffer. Until now you feel effect no more. Till you end up feeling more of the pain, more of the inflammation. Say more of say tender. Not just femo. Okay. Obi crowd is a now we problem. O nantia ubenya problem. Obi crowd snasia na ya or nantia na buffer. So all these things no better say. A baby cause wa joint wa also to a who animal.
Tiano san ye ba C4C Homeopathic Hospital.
Yes, first I was saying who the type of arthritis, no, and again you're the baseline investigation. I was saying you show kidneys because rheumatoid arthritis it may spread it, brain, no, any part of the body. It lead to problem with dry eye, it lead to problem with dry mouth, it lead to Jogren's disease. Into your conipediana kwa bebre. Yeah, into I was saying who baby type of arthritis now or one, then it informs us with the treatment I was here at the mouth. There are some cases, especially with septic arthritis, I was here draining a fluid, no, na and wage and sana it me about. Until Mestre says, so any pain, be our any joint, I cause discomfort at one amount. Now, C4C Homeopathic Hospital. Adom into all over Ghana and to some extent some part of Europe. Mestre says, oh, a central region, I do any better Cape Coast. Green Hill opposite Addison Square Garden. And I say, okay. Yes, into number of for any direction all over Ghana. ye betu ye bo ase ne ama o direction no na wo so wetumi enya ayarehwe 050 00 40331 pacho 050 00 40331 and now say 050 00 40328 050 00 40328.
Yeah, Dr. George Esiama Jr. say C4C Homeopathic Hospital into free condition we no di hu common and mom conditions be and so the buruma on be sure ma what me ayo de numbers no far na one doctor dinko baby awo bia no match branches no baby a obenya won mochiri akwan ma be mra no ba ku bi mo so ho ye ba